Hey guys, Debbie Reptiles here with my little sister Lakin. We're both so excited. But anyways, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, then welcome. So it's currently 7:35 in the morning, and I'm currently on the road to go pick up my new reptile edition. And yeah, we're both very sleepy still. So
you woke me up and I stayed up till 4.
Yeah, so okay, so once I get to FedEx, I will see you guys then. Hey guys, so I finally made it back home with my package, my new Scaly baby, as those of you who know. So yeah, so before I show you guys, I have to say that I did have to open it because my nearest FedEx facility is like an hour and so many minutes away. So I did have to open the box to check on him. So, yeah, with that said, let's get to it.
She's wanting to go to him.
So this is what the box looks like. It does have live animal on it and stuff, so hold on just a second.
You can
okay, guys, so he's here in this bag. I did have to untie the knot just because, but I haven't picked at him that much, so I really don't, know what he fully looks like. But yeah, let's get to it. Hopefully he will let me pick him up. But
tell me why he's wrapped in a pillowcase and Chi-Chi wasn't.
So this is what he looks like. Oh, you get that, sis?
Mm-hmm.
He is a doll baby. Hello.
The lighting is bad in here. We need a ring light.
Okay, let me get you out. You're okay. You're okay. Can I get you out, huh? Yeah. Hey guys, I'm getting him out slowly. Oh my gosh, he's gorgeous. Oh my goodness, you guys. This is my Pied Het Clark-Line albino reticulated python. Oh my goodness. And I have to give a big, huge shout out to Sunglow Serpents and the owner, which is Michael Powell. So thank you guys so much. Him and his wife done an amazing job, especially with the packaging and just everything in between. But he is gorgeous. Oh my goodness.
I got Lola in the video because
wow.
I was turning to.
But yeah guys, I hope you guys liked and enjoyed. Look at this. He's got a little white tip on his tail at the end. He is gorgeous. Hello. I am thinking of naming him Koa, but I'm not so sure. But if you guys have any unique names that you would like to leave in the comments below, please do. And I'm going to go put him in his enclosure. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and God bless. Alright guys, so I'm going to let you guys see him going into his enclosure for the first time. So let's unravel him here. Come here. Going your new home, huh? He is absolutely gorgeous, you guys. Here's some water. Here's some water. Look. Here's some water. He don't act like he do. I don't think he's wanting to go in, you guys. I don't think. You're okay. Get you some water. Alright guys, I hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.